Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cheap air hockey tables that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Wave 5 featuring air hockey table. This is one of the easiest air hockey tables to set up. It took me less than 3 minutes to have it ready for the game. I love the good dimensions that offer the perfect playing space and the nice design that improves the realistic feel. Coming with two 2.5-inch pucks and two 3-inch strikers, a game on this table is pretty impressive. I love the practical electronic scoring system, stability, and sturdiness. Moving on at number 4, we have the Go Plus 48 inches air-powered hockey table. Although we had never assembled an air hockey table before, it took us a very short time to set up the Go Plus table. I give credit to the simple and basic design and clear instructions. Despite its simplicity, the table is pretty solid and doesn't wobble or shake. It also has good dimensions but takes up minimal space. Other reasons I featured it on this best air hockey tables are sturdy legs, good balance, and easy adjustment. At number 3, we have the Hathaway FaceOff 5-foot air hockey game table. Many people may be surprised that this blue-black table is featuring on the best air hockey tables. 1. Many who have used it claim that it is substantial, well-made, and feels like tables that cost way more. 2. The elegant blue-black color together with the high-grade laminate give it the luxurious and costly appeal. 3. It has a powerful electric motor that is usually found in high-end tables. It's therefore no surprise that it ranks as one of the best. At number 2, we have the Playcraft Sport tabletop air hockey table. Measuring 40 by 8 by 20 inches, this air one is well suited for everyday applications. It features a nice dimension and has a pretty sturdy top and frames. The well-balanced unit boasts of a powerful motor that delivers high airflow but keeps the noise level minimal. Assembling the unit is simple and straightforward and only requires basic tools and skills. And finally at number 1, we have the Eastpoint Sports NHL Stingray air-powered hockey table. It wasn't for its moderately bulky nature, I would have ranked this product much higher. Nevertheless, it's still among the 10 best air hockey tables. I love the solid legs that provide excellent support and balance, the simple design that makes playing easy, and the good dimension to suit everyday play. The smooth and glazier surface offers added protection and is also easy to clean.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.